ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಎಂಬ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಓದೋಣ. Hi all, today we are reading ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು rhyme. Here, see, ಆನೆ means elephant. ಬಂದಿತ್ತು means came. The elephant came. Okay, the rhyme is like this. The meanings of the words is been written above the word. Okay, now I will read the rhyme. ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Please give attention that how I am reading, because there are vataksharas. Can you see here? Tu, na. There are some of the vataksharas. We have to stress the letter, vatakshara letters. So just give an attention while how I am reading. यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए कि मैं कैसे पढ़ रही हूँ, क्योंकि वत्तक्षरा को हमें स्ट्रेस करना होता है. आने ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಣ್ಣ ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಆನೆ means elephant, ಬಂದಿತ್ತು means came, ಅಣ್ಣ means brother. Here the poet is telling elephant came, brother elephant came. ಹಬ್ಬದ ದಿನವೇ ಸುಬ್ಬನ ಮನೆಗೊಂದಾನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Habba means festival. On the day of festival, Subbana, Subba is a person. To the Subba's home, that is Manegondane. Here there are three words. See here, Manegondane. Mane is home. Gondane means Gondu means Vandu. Here I'll write here Mane plus ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆನೆ. ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆನೆ. ಮನೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಒಂದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒನ್, ಆನೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಮನೆಗೊಂದಾನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಟು ಸುಬ್ಬಾಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ there came a one elephant on the festival day. ಅಪ್ಪನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತೆಂಗಿನ ಕಾಯಿಯ ಗೊಳಕ್ ನುಂಗಿತ್ತು. This is the appanu means father. Father gave the coconut. Here ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ means coconut. The coconut given by father was eaten or was swallowed by the elephant. The elephant swallowed the coconut that was given by father. Here, see here golak. It is the sound of swallowing. ಅಮ್ಮನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬೆಲ್ಲದ ಉಂಡೆಯು ಗುಳುಂ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. The jaggery laddu given by mother, that was gulum, means it is also a sound of swallowing. Agittu, the elephant swallowed the, or it swallowed. Gulum is the sound of swallowing. They are telling that swallowed the jaggery laddu given by mother. ಉದ್ದ ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬೆಳ್ಳನೆ ಕೋಡಿತ್ತು. Here they are explaining about the elephant. ಉದ್ದ ಸೊಂಡಿಲು means long trunk, ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣು means small eyes. Long trunk, small eyes, and ಬೆಳ್ಳನೆ ಕೋಡಿತ್ತು means white tusk. The elephant has long trunk, small eyes and white tusk. ದಪ್ಪನೆ ಕಾಲು, ಅಗಲದ ಕಿವಿಯು, ಮೋಟು ಬಾಲವಿತ್ತು. Here they are telling thick legs, wide ears, and also it had small tail. ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ, ಕೊರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟೆ. Means the ಕಾಲಿಗೆ means leg, to the leg. Gejje means the ornaments that we will wear for the legs. See, this is gejje. Can you see here? All 4 legs are having gejje. They were gejje for the legs. Koralalli gante. This is. The bell was there in the neck. ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. The elephant came. ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬಟ್ಟೆ. On the body there was a golden cloth. ಫಳ ಫಳ ಹೊಳೆದಿತ್ತು. How will be the golden cloth? It will shine, right? This phala phala means the shining. How the shining nature of that cloth, that is described here. It is phala phala holedittu. It shined like phala phala, means it is the shining word that we will tell in Kannada. ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Step by step the elephant came. ನೀರಿಗೆ ಇಳಿದು ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಬಡಿದು ಜಳಕ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. It get inside the water and with the help of its trunk it took bath. Jalaka means bath. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಗುಡಾಣ ಕೇಳೋ ಜಾಣ ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ means stomach. Stomach is like a tent. You listen intelligent. The ಆನೆ or the elephant came. ಕೆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಎತ್ತಿ ಸಲಾಮು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. It bent down and it took his trunk to salute. ಬನ್ನಿರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸವಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂದು ಕರೆದಿತ್ತು. Come children, take a ride. Who was calling like this? The elephant was calling like this. Come children, take a ride. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಸವಾರಿ ಹೊರಟಿತ್ತು. It made all the children to sit on him and it went for a ride. The poem is written by the poet Bendaravadi Subramanya Sharma. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. Answer the following questions. ಆನೆ ಯಾವ ದಿನದಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? On which day the elephant came? Here the questioning word is yava, right? Which day? Yava dina means which day. Just we have to replace the questioning word here. In all these questions we have to replace the questioning word and the remaining other words will be same as it is in the answer. For example, if I write answer, it will be ಆನೆ ಹಬ್ಬದ ದಿನದಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. The elephant came on festival day. It will be like this. See, ಆನೆ. I am repeating the same word. ಆನೆ. Replace this ಯಾವ mean with ಹಬ್ಬದ. This is the answer. ಹಬ್ಬದ. See, ದಿನದಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Okay, we have to replace the questioning word with answering word. Other remaining words will be as it is. We have to write. Okay, answer will be like that. Since I don't have the space, I'll just replace the word with the questioning word with the answer. Okay, I am marking here, underlining the questioning word. ಯಾರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? To whose home the elephant came? ಯಾರ should be replaced with ಸುಬ್ಬನ. ಸುಬ್ಬನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಆನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. To Subba's home. ಆನೆಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು? To the elephant, what did mother give? ಆನೆಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು? Mother give something to elephant, right? They are asking that. What did mother give to the elephant? ಆನೆಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೆಲ್ಲದ ಉಂಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು. Here ಏನನ್ನು should be replaced with ಬೆಲ್ಲದ ಉಂಡೆಯನ್ನು. Mother gave jaggery laddu to the elephant. ಆನೆಯ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿತ್ತು? What was tied to the elephant leg? ಆನೆಯ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. The ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ was tied to the elephant's leg. ಆನೆಯು ಹೇಗೆ ಜಳಕ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು? How did the elephant take bath? ಆನೆಯು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಇಳಿದು ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಬಡಿದು ಜಳಕ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. The elephant get into the water and using its trunk, it took bath. ಆನೆಯು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಲಾಮು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು? How did the elephant salute? ಆನೆಯು ಹೇಗೆ should be replaced with this. ಕೆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿ, it bent down. ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಎತ್ತಿ, it lifted its trunk and saluted. ಆನೆಯು ಕೆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಎತ್ತಿ ಸಲಾಮು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಆನೆಯು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿತ್ತು? ಆನೆಯು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಸವಾರಿ ಹೊರಟಿತ್ತು. Where did the elephant take the children? Elephant took the children for the ride. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಸಿರಿ. Here we have to look into the picture and we have to tell about the related things about these pictures to the children. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಹಸು ಅಥವಾ ಗೋವು, ಕಲ್ಪವೃಕ್ಷ ಅಥವಾ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಮರ, ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and hit the bell button.